Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very cool fridge, and this is the fridge trick in Minecraft Pocket Edition. As you can see, I just wanted to make cooler my meat or pork. So let's get going. So the things that you're gonna be needing is block of iron, 2 of block of iron, and then 1 iron door, and 3 cobblestone, 1 redstone, 1 button, 1 dropper, and then some cooked pork chop, and then some needed stuff. So first is we're gonna break some wood here. So next, put a block of iron and make sure that you are crouching, and then put some door like that, so it looks like a fridge. So we need to put a button and then a cobblestone, and then put up right here, and then put a dropper facing there, facing right here. So we need to put some redstone, and then cook pork chop, and then where did we put some oak wood? So now let's try our own fridge. So as you can see, when we throw that, see, we can get some cooked pork chop there. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, just hit that like button and that subscribe button. Thank you for the 38 subscribers, and thank you. And the next video will be a video about how to make a bomb in Minecraft. Bye.